Unruly. Unruly. My dads. Who keeps bringing more? I've had too many. This Virginia done me off.
What's up, everybody? This is Christopher Spell here. We're on South Beach, and we're here with an awesome group of 8 entrepreneurs, travelers, athletes, and content creators from all over the nation here in South Beach to have an amazing time. And we got a yacht tomorrow, we got jet skis, and we got a whole bunch for you. So I'm super excited for you guys to watch. So if you guys are interested in coming on trips like this, just click the link in the description, in the bio, and whatnot. But I can't wait for you guys to watch.
Don't cut in my iPhone 100. You make a bicycle and a boy will love. Not in my eyes, in my mouth, you don't tell her. I ain't telling cause I give you umbrella. I thought we in this together. Give you my necklace, pendant. Give you my last cash, pendant. I show you my best friend.
A fun side hustle experiment. That's still the main thing. And I mean, and my in-person business is still the main money maker. But this trip, not just, I've been to Miami before, but out of any place that I've ever been to, any trip, this has been one of the best days, one of the best weekends of my life. I mean, being on that yacht, I finally felt like I got to that moment, and some people also get to that moment, and you could spend money and do these things and portray yourself in a certain type of way. But when I was on the yacht and I looked around, I actually felt like I was the man that earned it, rather than just, you know, making a purchase. Felt like I was that person.
Me acabo de ir, pero ya quiero regresar. Siempre te deseo cuando más lejos estás. Estoy metido en el WhatsApp viendo si se va a conectar. Ey, para encerrarnos y poner el por favor no molestar. Ay, con ella siento que estoy en un viaje de éxtasis. Se lo hice y me confesó que nunca lo había hecho así.
How you doing? I love Miami. I love you. Let's make this work.
It was a lot of fun. Got to go on a yacht, did some jet skiing, hung out by the beach, hung out by a pool. That's my kind of vacation. One of my favorite things that Chris has ever said to me is, a friend of a friend is a friend. I mean, if you're a good person, you keep good company keeps good company. So it's easy for me to get along with people that have similar values as my friends.
Baby, I don't wanna sound righteous. I got 20 bitches sucking like bisons. I just any mini money roll a dice since I pick.
I have a lot of it. It captures all this shit clear, honestly.
Hello, Governor.
Maybe I'll say cheers to the governor.
Hello, mate.
Harry Potter.
I literally watched like 3 Harry.
When you say from,
Where do you live?
currently I live in LA. I think everyone was relaxed. So that's definitely important because like it's hard to get to know someone if they're busy or they're doing things, but everyone was relaxed, and I think the purpose was to get to know people. Not to put you on the spotlight, but it was really your conversation in the room, I think, was important because you were like speaking very like vulnerably to a group of people, some you don't know, some you do know. And I think the whole point of trips like this is you get to know someone, and maybe it's not as superficial as going, ooh, we're on a boat. Maybe there's a moment of like seriousness and people are having real genuine conversations. So I think the moment when you were talking, you being really open and honest about your relationship and things of that nature, that will allow others to feel like okay to do the same thing.
Yeah. All jokes aside though, like if you're gonna be, you have your lady, be patient with your lady because she's going through something that she never been through before.
Oh
You're
my
about to go through
God.
something that you've never been through before. So growth and just understanding like this is y'all first time. That's super.
Faces pass in the dark and I don't know who they are. Special words so forgotten, I know, but it keeps me calm. I feel the wind wash over me, follow the road beneath.
Yeah, no, this trip is fantastic. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to go to the Scottsdale one, but Chris talked about this Miami one, and I was pretty interested. I think Chris planned everything really well, and you could see, like, in his eyes, like, he really cares about this, the vision, and like even just executing like the weekend, right? Like, it shows that he planned everything out and he took the time to like get organized. So it was really awesome.
Yo no sabía que tú eras así. Te juro que ahora me cae mejor. Me contaron muchas cosas de ti, pero eres más igual puta que yo. Es de hacer, no es de hablar. Suelta el cel pa' perrear, pa' Twitter y pa' entonar. Yeah, salió de Rosa.
I think besides the sun, the people. Everybody was super nice, super genuine. Everybody came in with great energy. There weren't any like awkward moments. No one made anyone feel uncomfortable. I'm leaving here with like 5, 6 other people that I can hopefully really call good friends later on. So.
Well, Andy.
Yeah, where are we settling?
When?
Yeah, what the hell, man?
Wait, where'd you go right now?
Hey, yo, listen. Congratulations on the new job, man. That's a stepping stone right there.
Come with me, leave all of your things, yeah. You can stop at Gucci, stop at Louis V, yeah. Come with me, fly you out the breeze. Full speed, so volley Perrier. Speedboats, baby, in Nikki Beach. Waves in my head, smoking weed.
Everybody on the boat, smoking the cigars on the boat, just looking at the view, the skyline. I wanted to come and support my guy, and honestly, it was a blessing that I did. I got to see this come to life, and I definitely see where he's trying to go with this, so.
Make me sweat.